I want to show you guys how to save your cams so that you can get them 3D printed, or your parts if you want to get them 3D printed. Basically how to save an STL file correctly so that it works with our 3D printers. So once you get your part saved and created, you're going to go to File. So you go to File, you're going to go to Export, go to CAD Format. It'll take a second. You're going to go down here at the bottom and you're going to change it to an STL file. Alright, and you're going to name it whatever you need to name it so that we know it's yours. We're going to click on Options. We're going to make sure it is in millimeters. Click OK. Click on Save. And then you now have it saved as an STL file. That's the files we use to do the 3D printer. Alright, once you've got that saved, then you can email it to me. And then I can get it taken care of to get your files created on Inventor. A couple important notes: if you're trying to do your cam on the 3D printer, which I recommend you actually doing it on the laser engraver, but if you're going to do it on the 3D printer, your hole here needs to be a little bit larger. Our dials are 0.25 inches, so you want to make it a little bit bigger than that. So maybe do like 0.30 for your diameter of a hole, just because you want it to be a little bit bigger, because when the 3D printer prints, it's going to shrink a little bit, and so that way it still fits in your part.